It's time to create with Quimby. Geometry can actually be pretty beautiful, really, when you think about it, especially when it comes to home decor. Just like this. Check this out. This is a shelf made in the shape of a hexagon, and creating this shelf isn't as complicated as those high school math exams. You did what? You were fine on those, but
not math.
I struggled.
You said geometry, and I said, what? Okay, but showing us this morning how to do this, it's not as hard as you think, is the DIY queen herself, Shannon Quimby. Welcome back.
Hello, hello, good morning.
Good morning. The shelf looks beautiful, but I'm going to tell you, my first thought is like, I don't know if I can do this myself.
Yeah, and you know what? My dad being a math teacher, if I can do it, anybody can do it. By the way, he in class. So it's an easy math equation that you can do, all right?
Okay.
So you just need one board cut into 6 pieces the same shape. So there's your adding right there. Easy, easy, easy.
Okay.
So each shape, so the cool thing about this shelf is you can make them any size you want. I did it started at 7 inches on the outside. Now this is key. You want to use a miter saw or get a friend to do it for you. But each piece you're going to cut 6 times, and each piece has to be the same size. Because if not, it's going to be a hexagon wrong. Okay?
Wonky hexagon.
Right.
That's what they call that in geometry.
Exactly. So they do? I don't know. You're going to cut them at a 30-degree angle, both ends inward. That's key on the chop saw. Okay? 6 pieces. Then you line them up like on a train track. So all down a line, like so. Then you want to get, and I like to use this 2-inch thick painter's tape.
Okay.
You go all the way down, and you put it on the inside, all the way on all 6 pieces. And then you flip them over, and that keeps them together like this, see?
Oh, how smart.
Mm-hmm.
Then you take glue, and see all these indentations here?
Uh-huh.
You'll have, okay? You're going to put glue on all of them. Pretend I have 6 here. And then the fun thing is the reason why all the shapes have to be the same size is then you're going to roll it. You're going to start rolling it up.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it just comes together super quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes. So it does. It really does. And you roll it up like this, and then you go all the way around until you get something like this, and then you let it dry.
Okay, so you're trying to, so you are gluing and rolling it all in one go. You're not like waiting for one to dry and then gluing the next joint.
That's really cool. I wouldn't have guessed to do it that way.
That's so smart.
Yeah.
Yeah, so much easier, right, than going, okay, we'll do one piece, and then we'll do another piece,
Yeah.
and then...
I was picturing myself sitting there with like a, you know, with some kind of little protractor or something, trying to measure my angles. Yeah.
Yeah. No. Train track, roll it up, let it dry,
Love
and then
it.
you got it like that.
This is my kind of geometry.
I know. That's pretty simple.
So if you want to hang something that's heavy, I would suggest to reinforce it. So all you would want to do is take a drill and a small drill bit that's going to be smaller than a 1-inch nail, and you're going to pre-drill 2 holes on each end all the way around. So 2 here, 2 here, and so forth.
Okay.
And then you take the nail and you just reinforce it. Okay?
Just for a little extra oomph over that glue.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. And then you take your tape off all the way around. You want to sand the edges just in case it doesn't line up exactly. So you have a little bit of wiggle room.
Okay.
Sand your edges, wipe it off, wipe off the excess. And then the fun thing is that you just take any leftover paint that you want, like so, and you'll want to paint all the way around. I took this off. And you get something like this. And that's really all you do. And you put a hanger on the back, and you got your own hexagon shelf.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
That is pretty cool. I know we say this a lot of times.
You would be spending big bucks for something
You would. Well, somebody like me would go to probably like IKEA or something and try to assemble it later, and it wouldn't work out.
A Target type store, you go buy this preset. You're
overpaying to fail at it. This is why you're the pro. This is why you're here.
The cool thing too about these is that if you know, this is just one. Look, if you make a whole bunch of them and you can put them on the wall like this.
Oh, how cool.
Oh, that's cool too.
I know, like you get this nice, really cool honeycomb shape.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's a really good kind of a modern design that you could put on your wall. You know, you just can keep DIYing and keep going and going and going.
That's
no
fun.
shortage
That's
of
great.
good ideas.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Great idea.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So, as always, you know what? I work with Parr Lumber. I get all my work there. And so this one and this one I'm giving away. So we're giving away. So just go to Parr Lumber's Facebook page or Instagram page, tag 2 followers. Guys, this could be yours.
Fantastic.
Don't even have to do the work that way.
Right. Well, you got a good one from Shannon to get you started. You can make your honeycomb.
You get that inspiration.
Very
That's
cool.
Great. Shannon, thank you so much. It was great to see you again.
Yeah, you too, guys. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. And again, if you want to try making this hexagon shelf yourself, we are going to post the instructions and list the materials online at KOIN.com. And you can also go to the Parr Lumber Facebook page to get Shannon's.
Put it all down and tape it and
That was so
roll
smart.
it up.
It's one of those, like you said, I would have tried to glue and nail things
Would've been
together, and it wouldn't have been a hexagon
measuring,
had
and it wouldn't
I
have been good.
not seen that.
That's why we call Shannon.
It is.
She knows.
It is. That's exactly why. 8:13 right now. Up next on AM Extra, another celebrity power couple calling it quits.